Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. So today's topic is what is the best qualities we have to serve the planet. So it's a pick a card reading. You need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. Let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose yellow pile. What is the best qualities you have to serve the planet? So pile number 1, who choose yellow pile. You are a very courageous person and you have very good communication skills. You are good at communicating with people and very good at taking actions also, just not speaking. So with your words you can change the world. You can inspire the people. You can change the people. So whatever thoughts, ideas, expressing them to people are by using your communication skills in a good way to inspire people. That way you can change, you can serve the universe. This is your best quality. Your communication is your best quality. You have very good communication skills. So you need to use not just to serve the mankind in your life also. You want to achieve something. Your communication skills will help you a lot. With your communication skills you can achieve anything. You have very good communication. You can convince anyone. You can easily convince others and you can easily express, or you can easily communicate to the people and they can understand your communication, and they not just listen, they even inspire to do the things whichever you communicate. So your best quality is your communication. Use it for yourself to get successful in your life, as well as use these communication skills to serve the planet, because you have that skill, you have that communication skill. Your communication skills not just help you to deal with your friends or deal with your professional or personal matters. You can serve the planet with your communication. So focus on that. In any way you got a chance to do something good for the planet, you can use your communication skills to do that. So your best quality is your communication skills. Keep that communication skills open and work on more. Whatever you have, knowledge, wisdom you gain in your life, communicate those knowledge, wisdom to people clearly. Don't hesitate to express the feelings or the knowledge or the wisdom, whatever you have within you. Don't hesitate to share that wisdom to others, because it will help you to help the people to come out of their problems. So you have that power. Use your communication. It may be work as a healing also. When you communicate with people, your words will work as a healing. It will heal to some people, healing to some people. So use your communication. So this is the best quality you have to serve the planet. So make best use of it. Let's move on to pile number 2, who choose red pile. What is the best quality you have? to serve the planet. Pile number 2. You have a very good fighting spirit. So you are very good at dealing with conflicts. You can solve the conflicts. If it needs to fight for something, you are ready to fight. You don't have any fears regarding to fighting conflicts. You are ready to fight for what is right. So this is your best quality. You are very good at solving the conflicts, or if it is needed, you are ready to fight also. You take the step and ready to fight for what is right. So this is your best quality. You won't afraid to fight. You won't keep quiet when something wrong is going in front of you. You take the step and you are ready to fight for it, whether it is related to you or not. But if something wrong is going in front of you, you are take step and you will ready for the fight. Or if anyone is fighting in front of you, you are good at resolving that conflicts also. You are very much good. If some people are fighting in front of you, you are very good at resolving that conflicts also. If something is wrong, you are ready to fight also. At the same time, if someone is fighting, you are ready to solve that conflicts. You have both the things. These are your best qualities actually. So use these qualities to serve the planet. Make best use of these qualities. And keep that fighting spirit. If something is going wrong in front of you, take that step and fight for it. This is your best quality. Let's move on to pile number 3, who chose green pile. What is the best quality you have to serve the planet? So pile number 3. So you have a lot of love within you. You are a very loving, caring, nurturing person. So this is the best quality you have. That you have so much love within you. You just need to share it with others. Whoever going through some difficult times, your love can heal them. Your love can give courage to them. So with your love you can heal people. With your love you can make them strong. With your love, compassion, caring nature, kindness, they feel supported. They feel strong. If they are pain also, with your love you can heal them. You will wipe their pain with your love and affection. So the best quality you have is your love. Within you have a lot of love. So use this love to serve the planet. To do good to the people around you. So this is the best quality you have. Let's move on to pile number 4, who chose blue pile. What is the best quality you have to serve the planet? So pile number 4, you have multiple talents, not just one like other piles. You have multiple talents. You are good at multiple things. So you have a lot of love. You have a lot of money. Abundant. You are an abundant person. I cannot say money, but you are an abundant person. And you have a lot of love and caring nature, nurturing nature. And you have a lot of courage. You have that courage. You have that abundant nature and abundant. You are very abundant in your life, and you are very caring and nurturing. You are very courageous, and you are a very happy-go-lucky person. You are a very happy person. You are like a rainbow, and you have that stage and position to help people, serve the mankind, or serve the universe, serve the planet. You are in that position also. You have that abilities within you. And I can say you are a shape shifter. Whatever shape you want, you can take. So this kind of, you have multiple talents, and moreover you are blessed with multiple, not just talent, multiple powers. I can say you have some different powers. You are blessed with some different powers, superficial powers, which help you to serve the planet. You should use these things to serve the planet. So not just one thing, you can help everyone. Your whatever powers you have, with that powers you can change the world. Literally you can change the world with your powers. If you don't know that you have that powers, within you have. If you work on it, or if you are a very young person, you don't know about about yourself, while you grow up, you will come to know about it. Maybe you know that you know some superficial powers you have. Maybe you are psychic, I think. Sometimes you don't know, otherwise you don't give much importance to that things, I think. But you are very wise, and you have that capabilities to serve the planet. I think you are like purpose also serving the planet. That's why you have multiple blessings. It is not just one thing, and moreover it is not talents also. It is simply blessings. You are blessed with all these things just to serve the planet. So you can do a lot to the planet, to the next generations. So find out, as I said, you have a lot of love, caring and nurturing, and very courageous. And you are a very abundant person. No matter how much you give to others, you never get drained. Because you have always, I can say you have support, divine support. So if you give it to people also, you will get from the divine. If you are not receiving anything in the return also, you will get it from the divine, because you are blessed with that. So they are, whatever you give it to the planet, you will get back from the divine. Not from the same people or planet, but from the divine you will get back. Because this is your purpose, to serve the planet. So the divine never let you drain. Just concentrate on this and work on yourself. If you really don't know about all these things, work on yourself. Find out your inner strength and whatever I said qualities you have, and make best use of it, because it is your life purpose. Let's move on to pile number 4, which is white pile. Pile number 5, I think. So, pile number 5. What is the best qualities you have to serve the planet? So, pile number 5. You have love, pile number 5, but the thing is, what is the best qualities to serve the planet is just concentrate on yourself, I can say. Maybe not doing anything, just doing for yourself, or just concentrate on yourself. Whatever love you have, give it to yourself. Maybe you are giving to others and they are not returning to you, and you will become sometimes we won't receive what we are giving, we will become wild. And instead of doing good things, we will do bad things. We will become a bad person. So, the best quality within you is taking care of yourself. You are already taking care of yourself. You are not giving a fuck to anyone, or you are not concentrating on anyone. You are not worrying about the world, literally. You are just your person. That's it. You belong to you. You are not worrying about the world, or you are not worrying about the surrounding people. You are just concentrating on yourself, and that is the best quality for you. For you, it is the best quality to concentrating yourself instead of others. Sometimes we have, it's a human nature actually, human psychology. When we keep on giving and not getting anything, we will become wild, and we suddenly start doing things which is not good for us as well as others. So in your case also, don't concentrate on anyone. Whatever you have is actually you are not concentrating on them, on anyone. You are just giving your love to yourself, your care to yourself. You are taking care of yourself. You are not depending on anyone. That is a good thing, and keep doing this. This is enough to serve the mankind for you. To serve the planet, this is enough. Just take care of yourself. Just give that love to yourself. Give that care to yourself. Think about yourself. Don't give to others at the same time. You don't expect. I think already you are not expecting anything from anyone. You are with yourself only. You are much dependent on yourself only. You are not depending on anyone, and you are not looking for anything to anyone. You are just concentrated on yourself. That is a good thing. This is the best quality you have, I can say. So just keep that best quality. Give love, care to yourself. Keep yourself happy, I can say. Keep yourself happy and content with yourself without depending on anyone. Do whatever you are doing, do to you, or I can say do for you, without expecting anything from anyone. This will be good. Actually, you have this quality, and continue this quality. Don't miss this quality. This is how you can help the planet. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can find the details in description box.